Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about my skin, how I like to take care of it, all of the steps that I take to keep it healthy and radiant. And this video is in collaboration with Olay. I am going to include their Power Duo, which is the hydrating essence and the Regenerist micro sculpting cream. And I'm also going to encourage you guys to take up the 28 days challenge I have already taken, and you can follow all of the steps that I show in this video to achieve really healthy and radiant skin. So let's get started. Okay, so step number one is to stay hydrated and eat clean. Now it may seem very obvious, but this is something that we tend to miss the most. You are what you eat, and what is inside will reflect what's on the outside. So it's very important that you stay hydrated. So you drink the minimum amount of water that is needed for your body weight. You can also include coconut water every day in your diet. It is such an incredible source of electrolytes, BCAA, and it just does such wonders to your skin. Doing that has definitely changed the way my skin looks, and I usually drink coconut water after I am done working out. And I would also recommend that you eat more fresh vegetables in your meals, and one of the easiest way to do so is to include at least 2 veggies in every meal. That's one of the ways that I ensure that I eat more veggies. Now step number 2 is again going to be a very obvious one, and I really want you to include this in your 28 days challenge, to include and incorporate more exercise. I have done a lot of other videos where I mention the things that I like to do, the things I do to motivate myself, but it's so important to work out at least 4 to 5 days a week. You could do whatever works for you. Just take out any YouTube workout video and work out with it. Go to the gym, take the stairs, do anything to pump up your heart rate, and this way your blood circulation increases, you start sweating more, and that way your skin like really changes. Step number 3 is again another obvious one, which is skincare. So this is step number 3 because the first 2 steps are very important for you to maintain a healthy lifestyle inside, and in addition to that you take care of your skin from the outside, which is when skincare and having a good skincare regime comes in place. Now for skincare, it is very important that you clean your skin twice a day, one in the morning as soon as you wake up while you take a shower, and one in the night before you go to bed. So today I am going to include the Olay Power Duo, like I said. So in the Power Duo you have the hydrating essence, which I'm going to use first on my skin. I love the packaging. It comes with this dropper that automatically picks up the perfect amount, and then I'm just going to take a little bit, a pea-sized amount, and press it all over my face. So the essence provides pearl-like radiance, and it visibly reduces dark spots. It also gives a very radiant and translucent skin, and it's very lightweight, has a very non-greasy texture, and it also smells like rose, and it also gets very easily absorbed in the skin. So that's the first step, and the next step is the moisturizer. So this is the Regenerist micro sculpting cream. This is supercharged with pentapeptides, and it really helps in firming the skin. It also hydrates to instantly plump up the skin, gives a lifted appearance in over 5 days, and it also really helps in improving your skin's elasticity. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you are inspired to do the 28 days challenge as well. You can leave a comment down below telling me why you would want to take up the challenge, and I will be selecting one of you guys who will be winning the Power Duo hamper. And make sure that you leave your Instagram handle so that it's easy for me to choose. I'm going to announce it in my stories, so watch out for that. I'm also going to do the final reveal of the 28 days challenge on my Instagram, so you can also get to see that. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Please make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.